Once the trailer hitch is properly installed, the next step would be to select the right ball mount and ball size for your specific vehicle and trailer height and weight requirements. Having a level vehicle and trailer is important. If your selected ball mount is too low, this can take weight off the front of the tow vehicle, causing reduced braking and steering. If it's set too high, it will shift the weight behind the trailer's axles, resulting in possible trailer sway. The trailer tongue should be level or slightly nose down when coupled to the tow vehicle. The challenge is that the height of the hitch varies from vehicle to vehicle, and the height of the coupler varies from trailer to trailer. You can use the drop or rise of the ball mount to counter the difference in those heights. Here's how to ensure that you have the proper ball mount for your application. First, measure from the ground to the top of the receiver tube on the tow vehicle, the part of the hitch where you insert the ball mount. This is your receiver height. Next, level the trailer. Then measure from the ground to the bottom of the coupler on the trailer. This is the coupler height. If your trailer coupler is lower than the receiver, you will be using the ball mount in the drop position. If the trailer coupler is higher than the receiver, you will be using the ball mount in the rise position. The amount of drop or rise is determined by the difference between the coupler height and the receiver height. Draw-Tite offers ball mounts in a variety of drop and rise configurations. For consumers with multiple trailers and height requirements, Draw-Tite offers adjustable ball mounts. Another measurement that is often overlooked and should be considered is the length of the ball mount. This measurement is important when bumper to coupler clearance is an issue. Now, all you need to do is choose a ball mount with a drop or rise closest to your calculated measurement. In this case, we have a full-size pickup truck towing a utility trailer. To ensure the trailer's tongue is level, a ball mount with a drop of 8 inches was required. Next, select the right hitch ball for your application. Hitch balls are offered in 3 diameters, 1 7/8 inch, 2 inch, and 2 5/16 inch. Always use the properly rated hitch ball for your towing system. The hitch ball diameter must be the same diameter as the trailer coupler. The shank diameter of the hitch ball should be the same as the hole diameter in your ball mount you selected. The shank length should be long enough to allow at least 2 threads to be visible when the hitch ball is installed and the nut completely tightened. Be sure to check the capacity of each component in the towing system. The lowest capacity of any component in the towing system determines the maximum load you can safely tow. For more information on all of the great products from Draw-Tite, visit draw-tite.com. Draw-Tite, North America's favorite hitch.